Pleasant day everyone. I am Carla Deriza from BSHM 1A. Here's my activity 1 in Pat Pit 1, the mission, vision, core values, and tagline. Mission: to develop new knowledge and technologies and transform human resources into productive citizenry to bring about development impact to local and international communities. Vision: NEUST is locally responsive and internationally relevant and recognized University of Science and Technology. Core values: NEUST stands for nationalism, excellence, unity, spirituality, and transparency. Taglines: transforming communities through science and technology.